Assalamu alaikum class. We are going to start the chapter number 12 of the chemistry class 10th, and welcome to the online class. And today our chapter is chapter number 12, that name is hydrocarbons, the simplest class of organic compounds. Hydrocarbons, basically, as the name show, hydro mean hydrogen and carbon mean carbon. So we have talked about the organic compound previously. In the first and the simplest class of the organic compound is hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons contain only two elements, carbon and hydrogen. Hydrocarbons contain only two elements, carbon and hydrogen. In the previous, we have talked about the different kinds of the functional group in which there is carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, chlorine. Other elements are also present, but here we talk about only the compounds of carbon and hydrogen. Simplest class. There is no other element will be included in this type of the class. And the hydrocarbons have, as we all know, have very huge application. That is the major part of the organic compounds. So we are going to start this chapter, or the simplest class, in which we talk about the hydrocarbons. And hydrocarbons are further divided into three classes, that is alkanes, alkenes and alkynes, on the basis of their जो है वो on the basis of the bond. चलो जी start करते हैं. Hydrocarbons are those compounds which are made up of the carbon and hydrogen elements only, ठीक है, and they are known as the parent organic compound, since other organic compound are since to be derived from this type of the compound. या ये कहने के the other compounds, organic compounds like alcohols, ethers, esters, they are derived from the simplest class of the organic compound, that is known as the hydrocarbon. इनको they are derived compounds कह लें, ठीक है. चले जी, let me talk about the hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are of there are two types of hydrocarbon. The first type is open chain or aliphatic. Open chain or aliphatic. The other type is closed chain or cyclic. Open chain or aliphatic, closed chain or cyclic compounds. First we are talking about the open chain. Open chain have two types. The first one is the saturated and the other one is the unsaturated. First we have I give you introduction of the open chain. Open chain are those compounds in which the first and the last carbon are not directly attached. We have talked about the open chain and closed chain hydrocarbons in chapter number 11 as well in detail, so I am not going in too much detail of that, but here we are discussing a simple review of that types which you have done in the chapter number 11. The first are the saturated hydrocarbons, in which we talked about the alkanes. Two carbons have single bond, two carbons are attached with single bond, as the example is showing C, single bond C. It further have four